Hi everyone, I'm back at my favorite place, Regeneris Medspa in Westwood, Massachusetts. You guys all know that I work out and that I eat healthy, but when nutrition and diet just doesn't cut it, it just doesn't do it, then that's why I'm here today. This is Dr. Welter. He's the CEO and founder of Regeneris Medspa, and today he's going to perform a series of EMSCULPT sessions on me to get me TV ready. Right, Dr.
That's
Welter?
right.
Okay.
EMSCULPT NEO is a great modality for helping to melt some of that peripheral fat. Also good for visceral fat underneath, which is very important as we age. And then it will also help with muscle hypertrophy of those rectus abdominis muscles. We can do this on the abdomen. We can do it on the glutes. We can do it in the really any muscle group, biceps, triceps. We have lots of different adapters and ways to use this now. It's really opened up a new world for treatment, so it's great. It's a great.
And who are the perfect candidate for EMSCULPT?
So it's actually pretty wide ranging. So
Okay.
in the there's a lot of people that are working out every day and just need that little extra.
Like me.
Great thing. Yeah. So someone like you, it's perfect for doing that.
Yeah.
And just the other day we had a new bride coming in. She wants to get ready for a wedding. Perfect thing to do. Try to slim down a little bit, tone up a little bit right for the wedding. You can do something like that. It's also great for, we have a lot of people on our wellness anti-aging program. They're having a lot of difficulty getting rid of that visceral fat.
Yep.
So we normally recommend doing 4 treatments over the course of a month, about 1 every week. Okay.
Yep.
There are times we might want you to do it twice a week, depending on what we need to do or achieve. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring that radio frequency up to temperature. So you're going to feel the warmth coming up, okay?
Yeah.
And just let me know if that's too hot. We'll get that started right away. You'll feel that warmth kind of coming through while these slight contractions go through.
Wow.
Okay?
Yeah. All right, guys, we're back and we're almost at the home stretch here. I have 3 minutes left, and I've at this point done about 15,000 crunches. That's insane. 15,000 in like less than 30 minutes. So I wouldn't be able to do that in a whole year and do 15,000. You see my sweat? It's crazy.